Hey there, welcome to TGM's Legal Nuggets, where knowledge meets inspiration. If you're looking for insightful content that informs, empowers, and transforms, this is the place to be. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications. Join the community and let us grow together. See you inside. Good day, everybody. This is TGM Legal Nugget. We want to yeah. Don't catch me. Una know the way with the run and now based on the matter. Now pigeon we take the run am so that make everybody for flow. They catch the flow of waiting we they talk about. So today, before we go over to our discussion, we would like to appreciate you now. For those of una wey dey subscribe to our YouTube channel, those wey dey follow us on Facebook, and those wey be say dey follow us on Instagram, we say we appreciate una because if una no run am like that, na be say dem go carry us last go where we no know. You understand? Based on the matter, so we appreciate una. So today we wan talk about one matter like that wey be say e trend online, and we go just tag am say who kill Quadri. You understand that case of Quadri Ogunbode wey be say dem kpai for Lagos, wey be say the guy get one consultancy enterprise like that for LASU. You understand, based on the matter, and the police come try to see how them go unravel the mystery behind that case. You understand? So today, before we delve into the matter, we try to give some breakdown into the facts of the matter. So Quadri na a 28-year-old guy. A guy just graduate from Lagos State University. So he get his own business when they run for Lagos State University LASU. Him na the CEO of Ola Edu Consultancy for there. So the guy just run him now because based on saying na him be the breadwinner for him family, and I just try to see how him go make ends meet for him family and everybody wey dey around am based on the matter. You understand? So now on this particular day, according to the story, them say him go visit him babe. Based on the matter, as him dey comot like this that night, he come dey pass through one white garment church. As him dey pass there, according to the story, say him come accost some people, him come meet some people there. Him come tell him babe say say him meet some people, say but him go call him babe back to give am feedback, say na matter wey be say him go fit easily sort out. So last na then him come take the call with those people. After that incident, later in the night, that same night, the guy come call one of him friends, say make him friend send am like 10k, say he need am like as a matter of urgency to take sort out one or two matter. You understand the way the thing dey be now. That thing guy, according to the story, come send am the money. He even call him babe, but be like say him babe no get. He called the mother. The mother say fit chill till next morning before we send you that money. The mother say she no get, say na in the morning now she go fit run am, based on the matter like that. So last the next day like this, they come dey look for this guy, they no see the guy. The day after, them look for this guy, them no see the guy. So everybody now don dey always say wetin dey happen now. Based on this guy na the babe, they say this na person wey be say I follow talk the night before and the guy was okay. Wetin just come dey happen. Na so dem go police station, go make a report and all that. Even the parents wey be say them dey outside Lagos, then come Lagos, dem come dey try to investigate the matter. So last as they try to investigate the matter, after they don't report to the police. And so police come try to track one girl wey be say the girl dey related to the pastor wey did that white garment church. In fact, the pastor for that white garment church na the father to the girl. So as them they try to interrogate the girl, now the girl can't excuse say the man na him father. They can't say based on the investigation wey police they do, they don't discover say this man name don't come up before. So now so they come pick up this man. Initially, the man denied the whole thing, saying he no know the guy, saying he no know Quadri at all, saying he never even see Quadri for his life, and all those kind of things. Now, all this one we dey talk, another guy did the picture, that guy named na Sheriff. They still bring that guy into custody because they discover say some transactions enter that guy phone number and also enter in bank account. In fact, now that guy self now even transfer money give the pastor of the church. So last so they can't discover say money enter that guy account, where them arrest him, they can't they try interrogate him, police they interrogate and they try ask him 1 or 2 questions. Now so in saying a member of a court group, say now for inside the church there, now them for they hold their meeting, and the pastor allow them, make them they hold their meetings for that place. You understand? So based on that rapport, like say now then contact send money give the pastor. But of course, you know, go fit tell me say that kind of meeting they go on for that kind of place, the pastor no know what's up. You understand the way the matter they be. So investigation upon investigation, the man we don't deny, the pastor of the church we don't deny say you no know anything about this Quadri, where they can discover say about 70k enter my guy account. Now so the guy can't change mouth, can't say now money will be say the Quadri send down for construction of the church, to contribute for the construction of the church and all that. So now then the matter come burst. They can say how come before you tell us say you don't know this guy, now why you can't they change mouth now based on all this, based on the parole? So now so police come, they investigate. Last they come finger another guy wey they call Olaoluwa. Now Olaoluwa now come go show them where them bury the body of Quadri put. In fact, according to investigation before, them say according to social media report, then say they first bury that body for inside the White Garment Church. People come say then say the man, they assume the body with some people. They can call the father of Quadri. Father of Quadri can involve the police based on the matter. So that place where they move him from the White Garment Church, they can carry him go close to Lasso. In fact, the Lasso school fence, now there they can go dump the body. You understand? So last based on the matter, now the people will be say the police the finger for this matter, now that Olaoluwa, that sheriff, and the pastor will get the church. You understand? So because how you go they allow this kind of people where you see, where then claim say them be cultists, they hold meeting in fact for night for your church. So that means you yourself, you know what thing they go on. In fact, according to the story itself, that sheriff even say the man join part of them, say na him be their leader. You understand? So anyways, we no go fit talk about waiting there for police investigation report based on say the police them still they do their investigation, and when they carry the matter go court, eventually then the lawyers wey dey inside the matter and the police prosecution team go fit bring out wetin dem find out for that thing. But at least with the facts wey be say e don dey for public now and know these things, we don know say dem transfer money from Quadri account enter their account, use am take recharge their phones, their phone numbers. We know say Quadri don die. We know say no be only one person, because dem be a team of cultists according to wetin sheriff don confess. And then Olaoluwa na can carry them go where them bury the body of Quadri put for close to the Lasso fence. So from the story now like this, we don't identify all these things, at least from waiting don dey for social media, with how far the facts of the matter don't come out for social media and with the little way police don't talk about. So now when we don't analyze this issue like this, wetin be some of the offense wey be say we go fit draw out from this scenario? The offense wey be say we go fit talk out from, we go fit draw out from this whole scenario for this Quadri matter like this. In fact, them yakpa, them many. So, but we go try to take them one after the other. But of course, we don't let us understand before for some of our previous videos. Say when you talk about crime for Nigeria, you dey talk about the criminal. The law wey be say they regulate crime. You get the penal code, you get the criminal code, then you get the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and the Administration of Criminal Justice Law. You also get criminal code law for each of the states and the penal code law for the northern states. You understand? Those will be say they don't domesticate them for these individual states. So then, of course, you talk other civil areas, fundamental right, the constitution, and all those things. You understand? But in terms of crime, now that's penal code, criminal code, Administration of Criminal Justice Law, and the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. The Administration of Criminal Justice Act, that one now for Abuja, Federal Capital Territory. Then the law now for each of the states. Each of the states gets their own law. So now so the thing be. So now we don't see the matter like this. We think be some of the offenses we be say we go fit draw out from that Quadri matter. Number one, of course, we know say Quadri don't die and not be say him by himself, you understand, or maybe in death na natural, you understand. Now somebody now actually commits that thing. Somebody now do am because the time we in girlfriend in babe hear from her last, it was okay, and babe in tell him babe say based on the matter like this, I don't accord some persons and no worry, I go fit sort out the whole thing, you understand. So we go fit establish murder number one from the criminal code. But then, apart from murder, we will talk about how we will take proof all these things, so the ingredients and the rest we'll talk about them later. So murder did here, then conspiracy to commit murder today for there. We need to put that one at the back of our mind. Conspiracy to commit murder. Then number 3, we get accessory after the fact. Accessory after the fact. Then we get stealing and fraudulent conversion. That one they there from the whole narrative. Of course, you know where all these ones they come from. Stealing and fraudulent conversion. Then we get illegal disposal of a corpse. Illegal disposal of a corpse, because last according to the story, they first bury Quadri body for that white garment church. Later they come carry am go bury am for close to the last offense for there where the police can eventually see the body. Then last of all, we will talk about obstruction of justice. All these ones now the offense we be say them day for inside this Quadri scenario. Remember, for one of our video we tell you now say as somebody they commit one offense, during the course of committing that offense, if he still commit other small offense or even a bigger offense, an offense will start from one place go end for another place. So now so crime they be. So all these things like this now we need to put into consideration. So now we don't talk about these offenses, we be say we go fit draw out from this place. So now, wetin be the ingredients of all these offenses? If, for example, now say the police say we don't finish investigation, we won't carry this matter go court. Last like this, how them go take proof say this thing actually happened? Now these people now commit this offense. So we go take all those offenses now one after the other. Then we go try to analyze the ingredients for inside these offenses. So make we start from the first one where we say now murder. Of course we know say murder now when somebody unnaturally take the life of another person. So if for example you buy another person or you murder another person, you understand? Now be say you will murder that person now, you don't commit murder be that. You understand? So now waiting be the major ingredients where be say you need to prove. We don't talk and say generally to prove crime, you must prove say the person get the intention to carry out that action. Then you must also prove say the person carry out the physical action. So you must talk about the intention, that is waiting the person mind to do. Then you must also try to prove the physical action where the person carry out to carry out or commit that crime. So now for murder, waiting be say you need to prove. Number 1, you need to prove say the killing of that person no dey lawful. Of course, you know say lawful death dey. If for example you buy person, they carry you go court, the court can't find you guilty, they can't sentence you to death. You know say that one, as far as the court don't sentence you to death, then your death warrants they don't sign them. Let me say them get the state get right to kill you. That one na lawful buying, na lawful murdering be that. They feel murder you like that. That one they lawful. But when you unlawfully say the state no give you that power, the court no find person guilty, you can't go carry your hand go kill person. That one now unlawful killing. So the prosecution must show say the killing itself no it dey unlawful. So that person no get right or the power to take carry out that buying, to take murder that person way in buy. You understand? Then also they must prove the intention. Say this person, as of the time we carry out the action, in get the intention to kill that person. They mind say I go kill you. You understand? So now make I try to throw in some light into this area. There is what we call the a year and a day rule. That a year and a day rule say if person commits, if for example say somebody carry machete, can't give you a deep cut for your body like this, you can't survive for a year and a day after a year. Then the second day after that, a day and a year, you can't buy. Now be say they no go fit hold that person responsible. Now be say now another thing, I buy you, no be that injury where the person give you. That is the and although that they no too they enforce that one again, but that rule they there. Say if you injure person and the person survive a year and a day, the person can't die after that a year and a day. So now be say no be your action nine kill that person. Now be say now another thing nine kill that person. So that one did there. So now also you need to show say now the person where you they hold responsible, so now carry out that physical action. If you link am say in this case we dey talk about Quadri now, if you link am say now the pastor for the church, now Olaoluwa we go show them the body and sheriff now him physically carry out the murdering of Quadri. Now them carry out the act wey be say con later murd Quadri, wey be say off Quadri by Quadri like this, we no see Quadri again. Now them is it linked to them? Now them carry out that physical act, and as of the time we be say then they carry out that act, shey them get the intention to actually buy am to murd Quadri. Of course. So now if you look the story very well, you go realize say Quadri call him friends for 10k. But last, the money will be say them collect from Quadri account pass 10k. You understand? So if we come they assume now say based on say they can't discover say Quadri get more money for your account, they can't look and say the guy they won't deceive them, I mean they won't play a fast one on them, that they can't decide to take Quadri out of the picture, to buy him, to murder him. You understand? So if we prove that one, say now the intention we then get that, because we don't really get evidence, say then transfer money, take recharge their phone, then transfer money to their bank account, then transfer to the pastor, then transfer to sheriff and to other persons. We be say the police investigators, part of the people will be say you remember say sheriff don't confess say them the courts and other them they hold their meeting. So obviously all of them now a team, a group of a gang of cultists. So that intention, the prosecution or the police must be able to prove and say yes, so then get the intention. So if you look the story critically from the facts of the matter, you feel say, oh yes, now because they can't discover say more money there for Quadri account, and Quadri no one will talk about the money, now make them compare. You understand? So you must show say the killing they unlawful, you must show say they carry out the physical action. The people carry out the physical action, then you must show say now those people now in fact carry out that physical action. Then you must also show say then get the intention, you understand, to buy Quadri. So from the facts of the matter now, we fit establish some of all those things. You understand? So based on those of the way they watch me now, what do you think? If you say the police go fit prove this one, it go be a tough one for them. So just drop your comment for the comment section. The comment section they open. Then now, remember the law is very settled though. So if you want convict person for murder, you must prove say the action of the accused now caused the death of that deceased person. I don't talk on before, so I just try refresh on our mind. The action of the person where you they accuse now, so you must prove say now that action of that person I kill the person, I murder that person. You understand? If you know if you prove them, then I will say you know if you hold them responsible. So now the evidence they show say Quadri they don't kill him unlawfully. That one evidence we be say we don't see already now. Say they don't kill him Quadri. Then the statement of the accused person now shows say then get the intention to buy him, to injure him, and then to buy Quadri. Of course, I don't explain what this one before. Then the second offense we be say we want establish now conspiracy to commit murder. Conspiracy to commit murder. Remember, we don't talk for one of our videos before, say that conspiracy not be something we be say if you prove prima facie. You know if you bring prima facie evidence, say now waiting about it is difficult to prove them. And what do we mean by prima facie evidence? Prima facie evidence just be like say when you say you catch somebody red-handed, you catch the person they do the thing, the person no fit deny am, the thing clear for everybody. I say now this person I do am, like it is physically clear, evidence there, you understand. But in terms of conspiracy, you know go fit just prove am like that. So waiting the law don't talk be say now from the facts of the matter, as every everybody wey dey for that matter dey narrate their case like this, now you go fit easily come pinpoint say yes, so these people dem come together to form a team to carry out that unlawful act, and in fact dem agree to carry out the unlawful act and agree say na the result of the unlawful action be this. You understand? So now the wetin you go do. So when the court don dey lis ten to the testimony of all the parties, the court go come put one or two together and say yes, of course these people actually agree. So now if you come dey try to wan relate am to that Quadri case, Quadri call him babe say him don meet some people along the way, and him come tell him babe say no worry, I go fit sort am out. Then last they come tell am say make him call people, make him bring money come. He call people, wait, say me dem send 10k, stuff like that, you understand? Then last they come transfer more money from his account. Maybe they don't discover saying get more money, and because say maybe he don't know one or two people for there, based on saying they lasso and the place they close to the lasso there, maybe he don't know their face, they won't come try cover their track. Last they come mud my guy. You understand? So when we say conspiracy, with the ingredients where you need to prove for that conspiracy, be say that agreement dey between two or more people. The court must be able to see say these two people then come together, come agree. Two or more people come together, come agree. Say now waiting we want to be this, and now the result of this thing we want to go be this, and this thing we want to do so they unlawful. That is, there must be a common intent. All the parties must share that intention. All of them must agree, say, now, what we want to be this, and the result go be this. You understand? Even the Supreme Court for Nigeria don't say conspiracy now by inference. You go infer them. That is, you go try to get one or two from the circumstances of the case for you to be able to reach a conclusion, say yes, these two people or these three people don't come together, don't agree. So for this case of Quadri now, based on the matter how una see am, una sure say conspiracy dey to actually kill Quadri. From the facts, from wetin we don analyze so far, una sure say conspiracy actually dey to buy Quadri. So if individuals like Sheriff and the pastor, for example now collaborate, they come plan the action will lead to Quadri death. You understand? Then that thing now, that thing will come mean say after they don't plan, they come bring some other team members come together to execute this thing, because obviously if you look no be the body of Quadri was initially buried in that white garment church. Then they come move to last offense. So that process of moving it from the church to the last offense, obviously some people don't come together, don't agree, say now waiting we go do be this. You understand? So from that one, you feel in fact say conspiracy don't the matter. So last now we talk about the next offense. The next offense now, accessory after the fact. Accessory after the fact. So when you talk about accessory after the fact, what think that one mean? That one means say, and that person don't commit offense already, and based on say they don't commit that offense already, the person come meet you, can't tell you say I don't commit this offense. So then you yourself, say the thing where the person do they wrong and it is against the law. Then you can't go help the person to escape punishment for that offense where the person commits. That action where you take now to protect the person, to make sure say the person escape. Now that action we they call an accessory after the fact. So now, what will be the ingredients? If you say okay, you won't come prove this thing. Number one, you must prove say the person will carry out the action to take cover up for the person will commit the main offense. He gain knowledge of that offense. He know about them. He know say this person don't in fact don't commit that offense. So in this case now, people know say the pastor and sheriff and some other people don't collaborate. They don't buy Quadri. Then last they come collaborate with them, carry the body from the church to move evidence away, so that people know where they look the church, come carry and go bury them for the lasso fence area. So then with the person where they help to cover the track now, know say this other person don't commit offense. Then the person go also assist. Apart from getting the knowledge, you go also assist. In this case now, Olaoluwa assist sheriff and the pastor of the church to carry the body from the church, go bury am for where did they say, so them go assist. So now the law is settled here that for you to be able to prove this accessory after the fact, the evidence must show say the accused know of the offense. Then he also help to assist the other person. We don't talk that one before, so we don't still narrate and try to relate them to this, Quadri case. But for you now, you think say from the facts where they are available to the public, you feel say an accessory after the fact really happen. Oh yeah, may you drop them for the comment section. May we see say una they follow our narrative. Mostly whether una don't learn one or two. At least we still learn from you too based on your understanding. Then the next offense we want to talk about now is stealing and fraudulent conversion. Stealing and fraudulent conversion. So when you want to prove stealing, wetin be the thing? You must show say person fraudulently take something from another person. Now this is wetin we dey talk about. When you want to prove stealing now, you must show say number one, the thing where them steal, they capable of being stolen. That is, that thing where them steal, so now something where be say person go fit thief, and in fact then thief that thing, right? And when them thief the thing, the intention of the person where they thief the thing where the person mind where they thief the thing now to make sure say you will lawfully get that thing, you no go fit use them again, you no go fit get them again. So the person where thief them, they want deprive you to want make sure say you no get that thing back again. He go convert them to his own personal usage. He go they use them for his own self. Because he no want to make you way get them originally, you will be the legal owner, may you get them again. So he go convert them for his own personal use. So if you want proof stealing, you must be able to prove all these things. Say number one, something they where person go fit thief, and secondly, person can carry that thing where them fit thief. So then when he carry that thing where them fit thief, so he do am because say him no want to make you use am. He want to use am for him personal self. Then last him can convert am, can start to use am for him personal self. So if you no fit prove all these things, then I be say you no go fit prove stealing and fraudulent conversion be that too. You understand? This one they very very technical, so you must be able to prove all these things. So the courts for Nigeria don't talk and say any dishonest taking of a thing of another person property with the mind say you go permanently come make that person no fit get that thing again, that thing is stealing be that. That thing is stealing. So if you can look this Quadri case like this now, you say sheriff can't do unauthorized transaction from Quadri account. Just transfer money like say tomorrow, no day they transfer, give him papa will be the pastor of the church, transfer, give everybody, even the recharging own this thing. So the intention now to make sure say Quadri no get that money back. And in order for him not to get the money back, now they buy because the police already now don't see Quadri body. So if they don't see Quadri body, them say they don't want Quadri be that. So obviously they don't deprive the intention now to make sure say Quadri no get that money back. Then the guy can convert the money now to recharge card, can use and they make calls. You understand? Before they come bam. You get? So last as if you look at those things now, the things we be say they go need to prove. Then another offense we be say we won't talk about now. Another offense we want to talk about now are the illegal disposal of the corpse. Illegal disposal of the corpse. Of course, we don't know, say, first of all, they first carry Quadri body, come bury him for that white garment church. Last, they come carry him, come over the church, come carry him, go that lasso school fence, go bury him for that place. Don't normally anybody like this wey be say he die, that body automatically reverts to the state. Now the state now get that body. You need to take permission from the state for you to be able to bury that body. So but anything wey be say come make you come they go bury the body without permission from the state, now be say you don't deal illegally with that body be that. Now within the law talk. So improper or the thing where you need to prove improper or indecent way of dealing with that body, you no do am according to wetin the law talk. For every law, for every state, e get law wey be say dey guide how you go take bury your person, how you go take bury anybody wey kpai. You understand? So when you don't follow that law, now be say you don't commit a crime be that. The accused person must don't deal improperly or indecently with the body. You understand? Without any lawful justification, you don't get the person don't get any lawful justification to deal with the body. For example, now they buy Quadri. Who give them the permission to go bury him? Who give them the permission to buy Quadri? Who give them the permission to carry her from the White Garment Church to that Lasso school? So they don't deal improperly and indecently. They don't give them proper burial, then just go dig them for shallow grave, which is against the law. You understand? So this now the ingredients will be say the prosecution need to prove to show say this kind of thing don't happen. Of course, the law. Now waiting the law still they talk with that. When you can't they interfere with person body when the law not allow you, you understand, to deal with you get. So now the matter be that. But based on our own observation, I think say these people deal with the body like that. And I feel say they go feel prove them. You understand? Then the last of all, obstruction of justice. Obstruction of justice. The pastor first deny saying no Quadri, say he never get anything to do with Quadri, but last they can't discover say 70k and some money enter your account like that, some money enter sheriff account. You understand? The accused person must get the intention to obstruct or to prevent or to pervert or to defeat justice. In fact, everything we want to do now to make sure say may the police not get the truth so that the police not go fee charge them to court for that offense. In go and do everything possible. So now number one, the pastor first deny. After he don't deny finish, he can't go connive with people, make them move the body from the church, make them carry and go that place. So then be say you don't want to try to cover your track so that make people know the put eye for the church. Whereas people don't call Quadri Papa say, if like say something they go on for that church, they won't carry something come on for that church before the police can spring into action again. You understand? So now so the thing don't be. So the court don't hold say the intention of trying to pervert or defeat the cause of justice now him, be the obstruction. So when that person get the intention, can carry out some other physical act to make sure say justice is not served for the victim of that offense, then we say the person don't do that thing. So all these things what we they talk about now, last we as human beings, we need to be really careful, because if you don't buy, you don't buy. Nothing where they go feed you again. Yes, they say okay, maybe they compensate your family, but you don't feel come back again because your life worth much more than that. You understand? So based on this now, what will be some of the things we be say we fit recommend? Number one, there must be comprehensive investigation. Law enforcement officers, they know the joke, because according to the story now, based on say the parents of Quadri not to get money, and because they not to bring money, the police was very, very hesitant to want to investigate this matter. Now when many people can assist them before the police come spring up, do it, they won't do it, they feel unravel this thing. So the police must be very professional, they must be very comprehensive in their investigation. They must make sure say they keep evidences properly, so that when they won't carry the matter go court, then go get exhibits like this to they show the court say this now waiting we recover, this now waiting we find out. We tie and link those people, the accused people now, to the offense, so that they go fit prove their case at the end of the day. In Nigeria, we don't even they do forensic analysis, but forensic analysis they help a lot for cases. Then last, make them try, make them carry the matter go court, because Quadri must get justice. Now just January year 9 die. So make the police do thorough investigation, make them carry and go court, make them find those accused people, guilty. May they make sure say the exhibits are properly kept by the exhibit keepers, keep and wear everything we be say link them to that offense. May the police keep and wear them, may them feel prove their case for court. Then also we need to the public need to be aware of all these things where they go on. No they waka for night. Enter your house on time. If not only you they waka for night, make sure say you be very careful. Make sure say you be very careful with waiting you they do. So that may you not go enter, may you not carry you go where you don't know, may you not go enter one chance. A lot of people they die every day, so people need to be very careful. at least. So all those funds wey be say don transfer from Quadri account now, the police need to make sure say dem work hard to make sure say dem recover all those money. Then they need to conduct autopsy to make sure say dem know the proper thing wey be say e kill, because that autopsy result now go go a long way to be able to prove the death, say na wetin kill Quadri be this. So na the action of the pastor for the church, sheriff and Olaoluwa and the other people now actually kill Quadri. You understand? It will go a long way. Then people need to be very financially need to increase financial security measures. No, they keep alert for your phone. In fact, there's a way you can even be locking your bank apps, all those sensitive apps wey dey for inside your phone. You fit hide them. People enter your phone, they no go see them. They go think say you no get any banking app. Now smartphone don't get so many ways wey be say you fit take hide your all those things. So if they enter your email, make sure say they don't see any bank alert, they don't see anything from any bank. If they check your SMS, make sure say they don't see anything. You understand? Try to protect yourself. You get? So based on the matter and some of the recommendations, so that make we no take on our time, we go leave the comment section open. Make una drop on a comment there. One or two things we wanna get to talk. Make una let us know. Then make una also they follow us. Make una subscribe to our YouTube channel, Soteria TV. Wanna follow us on Facebook, TGM Amiwero Esq, and also on Instagram, Soteria_TV. We appreciate the good things we wanna do. Wanna just the run out like that, make it for all us. We appreciate you now. So we go see you again now for the next video. Oh yeah, now bye bye. Thank you.